Ever wondered why some people always seem to ace competitive examinations? It's not just about intelligence or hard work. It's about having a well-rounded knowledge base that spans across various disciplines. This is where we come in. Welcome to our channel, your guide to conquering competitive examinations. We're here to arm you with comprehensive content in key areas like history, economics, politics, general science, and general ability. Our mission? To help you build a solid foundation, broaden your horizons, and give you the competitive edge you need to excel. We believe that with the right resources and guidance, everyone has the potential to shine. So whether you're preparing for CSS PMS or the Provincial Planning Services of KPK, we've got you covered. If you've been looking for a one-stop resource to prepare for your competitive examinations, you've come to the right place. History is not just about dates and events. It's about understanding the past to make sense of the present. On our channel, we take you on a journey through time, exploring pivotal moments and influential figures that have shaped our world. We delve into the heart of these occurrences, drawing out the context, the cause, and the consequence. We unravel the intricate tapestry of history piece by piece, revealing the patterns that have led us to where we are today. With our videos, you'll see history come alive, one episode at a time. Economics can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Our channel is committed to breaking down these intricate concepts into digestible, easy-to-grasp videos. We untangle the web of supply and demand, demystify fiscal policies, and clarify the hidden mechanics of economies across the globe. By relating these principles back to everyday life, we make economics not just understandable, but also remarkably relevant. So whether you're tackling trade deficits or just curious about currencies, we've got you covered. Get ready to decode the world of economics with us. Politics shapes our world in more ways than we realize. Every law passed, every election held, each international treaty signed, it all boils down to politics. It's the unseen force steering our society. Here we dive deep into the world of politics, peeling back the layers to understand the systems, ideologies, and the current political scenarios that shape our world. We dissect complex political theories and make them digestible for you. So whether you're studying for an exam or just curious about the world, join us as we navigate the intricate world of politics together. Science is everywhere around us, and understanding it can truly be enlightening. Our channel takes the often complex world of science and breaks it down into bite-sized, digestible pieces. We strive to make the mysteries of the universe accessible to all, with clear explanations and engaging content. Whether you're trying to wrap your head around quantum physics or simply want to understand why the sky is blue, we're here to guide you through. Discover the joy of learning science with our easy-to-understand videos. General ability is not just about knowledge, it's about the application of that knowledge. And here, on this channel, we strive to transform your theoretical understanding into practical wisdom. We aim to sharpen your problem-solving skills, cultivate your critical thinking, and enhance your logical reasoning abilities. We do this by presenting complex concepts in an easily understandable format and encouraging active engagement with the material. Remember, it's not just about knowing the answers, but understanding the process to get there. Empower yourself with enhanced general ability and stay ahead of the curve. In a nutshell, we are here to make your competitive examination preparation easier and more effective. Our channel offers a wide array of topics designed to give you a competitive edge. With a deep dive into history, we unravel the events and figures that shaped our world today. We demystify economics, decoding the principles and theories that govern our financial systems. In our politics segment, we decode complex political ideologies and systems, breaking them down into digestible, understandable pieces. We simplify science, making it accessible and exciting, and to boost your general ability, we offer engaging content that sharpens your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Our content is comprehensive, covering all the necessary ground, and yet it's easy to understand. We believe in the power of simplicity and clarity, and we reflect this belief in our videos. We aim to make your learning journey enjoyable and fruitful. You can count on us for reliable, insightful, and in-depth content that's tailored to your examination needs. So, subscribe to our channel, share it with your peers, and embark on your journey of knowledge with us.